So hey guys, welcome back. So on Friday, my orange Fiat 126P came finally back from Poland. I did already record this video, however, I still haven't uploaded it yet. It still needs some editing. Maybe I will re-record it because I'm not entirely satisfied with it. But anyway, this video will be a short one. So it arrived back on Friday after being away for 2 months, and naturally I was very excited about having the car back. However, excitement and joy almost immediately turned out to anger, and I really am at a loss of words right now because the anger is very deep, and I was expecting the car to come back in a better shape, or at least the shape I had it transported to the mechanic. I would have accepted a decision or word from him that there's nothing I can do about it. And yeah, that would have been disappointing as well, but somewhat understanding. So I really don't want to ramble on very much here. So I took the car off the ramp, and the first thing that I noticed is while entering the car, the driver's side of the car was dirty as hell. So it was dry mud on the floor. Luckily, I didn't find any cigarette butts. And in the meantime, I have obviously cleaned it again. So it's clean now. But this was the first impression of the car, having it back after 2 months. I had the car transported in a very clean condition. No dirt on the inside, no dirt on the outside. And that was the first thing I saw in the car. Dirt and filth on the driver's side of the car. Although there was a mat on the passenger side of the car, the mechanic obviously didn't see the need for using it. And this was only the first thing that I noticed. There are other things that I would like to show you right now, but they are on the outside. So let me just quickly grab the phone and walk you through it. So I hopefully you can see this particular scratch right here. This wasn't on the car, definitely. And you can clearly see that is no stone chip or whatever. It basically seems like somebody was cutting something on the hood of the car. This goes all the way through the paint, so I will have to repaint the entire hood. There are some minor things, minor scratches on the other side of the hood, but I don't think that they are visible right now, but they are quite small, so I think I'll be able to polish them out. However, there's another thing right here. Where is it? Here. This particular stone chip wasn't there as well. I had the car on the transporter, so it was basically safe from any impacts from stones. So this wasn't there as well. And the third thing that I am very disappointed about is the engine cover. Although I wanted to have it painted black, originally I didn't mention this to the mechanic, and therefore he wasn't aware of anything. However, as he was mounting the engine out of the car, he probably wasn't taking very much care of it, and you can see that the top here of the engine cover is now painted yellow, and this seems like a very poor job. And now I have 3 different colors in the engine cover, on the engine cover and in the engine bay itself, and it looks like Frankenstein's monster. So clearly I am very disappointed here, and this particular mechanic won't be seeing any of my cars ever again. He won't be seeing my green car, he won't be seeing this one. He had been working on those cars in the past, and I was fairly satisfied with the work, but this is something I would have never expected. I will have to repair those things, which are very, very costly, because this paint job is not a regular paint job, and unfortunately there's nothing I can do about it. I will definitely talk to him during the week. I will tell him that I am more than dissatisfied. He will tell me he didn't do anything, or it's not his fault, it happened in transport, so it's his word against mine. But I can't just sit on it. And yeah, I have certainly made already different arrangements for the future. I was talking to Mariusz, the guy who you know as my guy who transports my cars back and forth from Poland. So he's been very helpful in the past. He knows a few mechanics around where the car is always for repairs, so that's always good to know. That's the good thing about this whole situation, but yeah, that's something for the future. Right now I am very, very displeased, disappointed, angry, and obviously I'm glad that the car is back, but not in the condition that it is currently in. So that's it. And as I said, or hopefully I said it in the beginning, that I recorded a video on Friday when the car came back, and it will be up shortly, so stay tuned and enjoy it. Bye bye.